Are you trying to save for a big vacation? I know a lot of people have bucket list destinations that they want to go to, but it is a big price tag. If you want to know how to save for that bucket list vacation, I'm going to give you some tips. If this is something you're interested in, then keep watching because this video is for you. Hey fellow travelers, this is Norman Payne from Up, Up, Up and Away. Thank you for stopping into my channel and welcome back. Today I'm talking about saving for that bucket list vacation. You know the one that's on everybody's mind. I wish I could. But you need to know how to save for that big vacation. And I'm gonna give you 5 tips so that you can save and it will be painless. So let's get into it. First off, get a dedicated vacation account. An account that you don't do anything with but put money in for vacation. Set up automatic transfers from your main account to this vacation account so you don't feel the money going into the account. You'll see it grow, but you won't feel it coming out of your account going to this account. Believe me, you won't even miss this money, but you will see it grow. Next, let's talk about cutting expenses. Cut expenses wherever you can. Maybe you don't need to dine out as much. Maybe you have some subscriptions that you are not utilizing. Find those subscriptions, take that savings, and put it into your vacation account. This will help you grow and grow pretty fast. All of us have this frivolous money account in our pockets, we think. We'll go and we buy lottery tickets or something like that. Go ahead and put this money into your savings account. You'll see it grow and every little bit counts. Now here's one that's dear to my heart. That is cashback and rewards cards. I use a lot of cards that have a cashback or some type of rewards. I do not spend any money that's not giving me something back. Be sure that you're paying that card off the moment you make that transaction. So if you're going to Starbucks and you're going to use your debit card, which gives you nothing back, it just takes the money out, use a card that gives you reward points for every dollar that you spend. While you're drinking that coffee, pay that account off. Most banks have an app that you can use to pay that money immediately. Use that card and get something back. I use a SkyMiles card so that I can fly on Delta. I use that card just like my debit card. I just pay it off the moment I spend the money. This is like getting a bonus for the money that you're already spending. Next, this is huge. Set a budget, set that goal for what you're going to spend on that trip. You can research this before you start your account. Find out how much it's going to cost you to go on that trip. Call your travel agent and ask them, how much is it going to cost me to go on this trip? They may be able to give you some type of goal so that you can go towards. This not only keeps you motivated, but it will keep you on track of saving a certain amount of money. You can break that amount down to how many months before you want to go on this vacation and save that amount each month. Number 5 is look for a side gig. Do your side hustle, freelance, whatever you can do to make extra money. But be sure that money is going straight to your savings account for your vacation. Do not use that money for anything else. If that money is needed to pay your bills, then you need to rethink your priorities a little bit. There's nothing wrong with that. But be sure that the side hustle, that freelance money, is going straight to your savings for your vacation. This will help you reach your goal even faster, and you will see the growth in your account. So there you have it. I've given you 5 different tips on how to save for that bucket list vacation. If you apply these 5 different tips, you'll be in that bucket list destination in no time, taking selfies and making yourself the envy of all your friends. So try to start today. Well, do you have a big trip coming up? Tell me how you save for that big trip. Tell me, what is the method you use to save money for a bucket list destination trip? Also, share this video with anyone that may be going on a bucket list trip. Be sure you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel so you'll get more tips, news, destinations, and things of that sort coming straight from Norman Payne, Everything Travel. Well, that's all I have for you today. Until I cross again soon, I'll see you then. Peace.
Please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on all my social media. Just hashtag #UpUpUpNorman.